using the first tone as the base. First, listen to the tone as a musical note. First tone is the high note and it's steady, always the same height. We will use simple words and short sentences to practice the tones meaningfully. Let's start with ma, a high, steady tone. Mama, mama. The next tone pair is tone 1 followed by tone 2. High, and then tone 2 is a small rise. This is another useful tone pair to practice. You've spoken it before in the earlier lessons, but now it's just to be made clear. 中文 Chinese language. 中国 China. 英文 English. So listen. 中文中国英文 So the first part is high and steady, and the second part lifts a little at the end. Repeat them once more. 中文中国英文 Now tone 1 followed by tone 4, high and then falling. This is a strong, clear pair. You've spoken it, just practice it. 他是我爸爸，他是老师，他是学生，他怕 He's afraid. 他怕，他不怕，他不怕。Or you can change it a little bit. 他不怕，他不怕，不怕。我在 I'm present. 他在 He's present. He's here. 他在他在 So the fourth tone is shorter and it falls down to a stop. 他 is high and steady. 是怕 and 在 fall strongly. Now we put these tone pairs into short questions and answers you already know. We want tones to live inside real sentences, not just a list. So listen. 今天他在家吗？今天他在家吗？ Is he at home today? 今天 today 他在 He's at 家 house home 吗 question article 今天他在家吗？今天他在家。今天他在家。你喝咖啡吗？你喝咖啡吗？你喝咖啡吗？你喝咖啡吗？我不喝咖啡。我不喝咖啡。你会说中文吗？你会说中文吗？你会说中文吗？我会说中文。我会说中文。I know how to speak Chinese. 我不会说英文。我不会说英文。I don't know how to speak English. 你怕医生吗？你怕医生吗？你怕医生吗？ Are you afraid of the doctor? 我不怕医生。I'm not afraid of the doctor. 我不怕医生。Now a short recap. using all the words, the everyday, just follow and repeat. Mama, mother, mama, 哥哥，哥哥，今天，今天，书包，书包，咖啡，咖啡，中心，中心，医生，医生。Now the 1, 2 tone pair. 中文、中国、英文。1, 4. 他是，他怕，他不怕，他在。今天他在家吗？今天他在家吗？今天他在家。今天他在家。Yes, today he's at home. 你喝咖啡吗？你喝咖啡吗？不，我不喝咖啡。我不喝咖啡。我要喝茶。你会说中文吗？你会说中文吗？我会说英文，我不会说中文。你怕医生吗？你怕医生吗？我不怕医生，我不怕医生。So if you repeat this little drill once a day, your ear and your voice will slowly get used to tone 1 plus its relationship with tone 3 and the other tones. These are simple tone pairs, and listen to how it feels in these real sentences. When you're ready, you can go back to the lessons in the foundational series Chinese from 0, 1 to 10, and carry the tone feeling more intentionally into everyday sound, into every single sound you make.